What's up, colbysharp, 5th grade teacher in Michigan. Welcome to my channel where we try to help kids fall in love with reading. This is our weekly Kidlit book mail video. I got a whole bunch of packages here. I'm going to open up as many as I can in the time I have. And while I'm doing it, please let me know down in the comments which books you are adding to your to-read list. Common question I often get is, how do I get all these books? Well, many of them are sent to me by the publishers because they want me to talk about them in videos like this. And maybe you'll find things that you want to read, and then they get to sell books, and awesome books get in the hands of kids. Some of the books come from friends. This is a package from my friend James Ponte, and just sometimes I buy them too. So all kinds of different places. These are from James Ponte, 2 awesome first books in series, his framed books and City Spy. Very exciting. I was talking to James and he actually sent these to one of my readers and he signed it to him. So thanks for that, James. I'm so excited to take these to that 5th grader who is heading into summer and a time of reading and joy. So excited about that. If you haven't read City Spies, holy smokes, you are missing out. Holy smokes, you are missing out. All right, let's see what we have here. Picture book that I organized, the recycling. I Believe in Me. Aw, well, that's nice. You may know this series here from Emma Dodd. Okay, we're off to a great start. We have a big old box here from HarperCollins. Let's see what's inside. And I am filming this with like 8 days left in school. So I'm very, very much trying to get books into the hands of readers. But also starting to build my summer reading list. And this looks like a pretty awesome picture book from Kevin Henkes and Laura Dranzik. Little Houses. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. This looks fun. Lucy. Free hugs. Oh, I've been seeing lots of people talk about this. Queer Ducks and Other Animals, the Natural World of Animal Sexuality. Oh, that's awesome. A little nonfiction for you here. Oh, it's kind of, so you got like the words, but you also have like different pictures and in it. And I thought I saw like a little comic. Yeah, it's beautifully designed. Nice work there. Queer Ducks. Okay, How We Ricochet. That looks just awesome. What a cool cover. Holy smokes. How dare we? It seems sometimes a charade that we continue celebrating is the face of relentless tragedy. How dare we? But then what else is there to do? That looks amazing. Looks so amazing. All right, ooh, look at this. Yoshi and the Ocean, a sea turtle's incredible journey home. Look at that. That looks really cool. Lots of good books, y'all. Lots of good books. Sherry Winston, Catastrophe, Wednesday, and Wolf. New chapter book series. Always looking for great chapter books. It looks like we have here book 2. New Pup on the Block. Aww. I want to look inside. Oh, it's full color. Didn't expect that. That's awesome. From Sherry Winston. All right. They sent me 2 of copies 1 and 2. That's exciting. Fight and Flight. You might be familiar with Both Can Be True. See that there? Looks cool. Milo and Marcus at the End of the World. A love story for the end of the world. Huh. That's kind of tragic, but sweet maybe? I don't know. Only on the Weekends. That looks cool. Man, the young adult books, crushing it there from HarperCollins. Thanks, HarperCollins. Very exciting. Definitely have more time for young adult books in the summer when we're not trying to hand books to the youngins every day. All right, picture book here. All I know so far is that there's a huge picture of someone on the back. So that often means that it's written by someone famous. Ali Stroker. Ali and the Sea Stars. I don't know her, but I'm thinking like a Broadway star here, maybe. Oh yeah, Tony Award winning actress, musical. Tony Award for Best Featured Actress in a Musical for her role as Annie. in Oklahoma. I don't know very much about that kind of stuff. So, new picture book for us. So we have here. Tra-la-la. The sun does shine, an innocent man, a wrongful conviction, and the long path to justice. Oh, this is a Young Readers edition. Did you read the grown-up version? I did not. With a giant box here. Holy smokes. We should probably open this and then start to head to school. So, I think this is from Penguin Random House. It's very well taped and mess around here. They're like, let's fit everything in one box, which I appreciate. Probably better for the planet. Okay. Holy smokes, folks. There is like a bazillion picture books in here. So I don't know the best way to do this. We're gonna do like some rapid fire here. Oh, sorry. Let's just take some out. Start with all the picture books, and then we have some other books. Starting with the picture books. May Makes the Way. True story here. Picture book biography. The Little Golden Book. Hug-a-Bug. Oh, Mr. Lemoncello's the very first game. I want to read this because I love Mr. Lemoncello's library. And this is like the prequel, I'm thinking. So, yeah, I'm going to need to read this. So, I might take that to school today and read it. Our Playground Rules. Respect. One Turtle's Last Straw. Build. Red No Studio. So talented. The Mystery of the Monarchs. Have you seen that No Mow May? A lot of people are not mowing their lawn in the month of May because it's like good for the butterflies and the bees and stuff. Very fascinating. Blur. I actually just bought a copy of this. Very exciting. Little Ellen. Blue Ribbon Horse. Don't Eat Bees. Life Lessons from Chip the Dog. I really enjoy Deb and Mike's work. So they did books together before, right? Like the I Don't Want to Be a Frog. Yeah. Oh, so exciting. Most Perfect You. Aw. I'm very excited. All right, now we have some young adult books and some, what do we say? Middle grade. Let's get them all out. Let's get them all out. Folks, we got some good stuff in here. Thanks for your patience. I don't want to miss anything great. Okay, let's go quickly. We have Bug Boys Adventures and Daydreams. Well, that looks fun. Smart and Funny. Same Bug Pals, New Big Adventures. This looks like a comic. Looks so much fun. Bug Boys. Smart and Funny. I might have to see what the kids think of that. The Agathas, my wife is actually reading this book right now. Finding Jupiter. Family of Liars, prequel to We Were Liars. Rivals, American Royals. The Natural Genius of Ants. I actually saw this and I wanted to put on my to-read pile, so that's definitely my to-read pile. Kevin Hart wrote a book for kids. Marcus Makes It Big. I think the second book in the series. I said I think it's the second book in the series because I saw a picture on the back. I didn't actually know that. Devotion, an epic story of heroism and friendship. Well, that's cool. Inspiring, heartbreaking, a true story of courage, brotherhood, and sacrifice. That's a lot of important things. The Peach Rebellion, 1947, Peggy, Ginny Rose, and Lisette are not willing to accept things as they are anymore. That's good. Diana, The Journey to the Unknown. The Merciless Ones, that looks baller. Apple Crush, I just bought a copy of this. Exciting. Places We've Never Been. That's cool. They're like riding around in like RV. Steve L. Make Evil. Nate +1. Save the Date, Win the Boy. Growing Pangs. Ooh, this one's going on in my classroom. I have a copy of this. Answers on Pages. I read this, David Leviathan. I read the advanced copy. Amazing. It's these multiple stories. It's phenomenal. Will blow your mind. You must read it. Holy smokes. Don't ban books. Read this book instead. Well, that's it. There we have it, folks. A lot of awesome looking books. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. Hope you have an awesome, fantastic day.